Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to color code calendar on Notion. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to access your Notion account and you want to go to one of your notes here. So in this case, I already added a calendar view here. So in this case, for you to color code your calendar here, you need to actually utilize one of the properties here. So in this case, go and click on the plus button. So it is the option for you to add an item. And from here, you can go and add whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to say it is going to be a sample task. So this is an example. And you want to go ahead and click on the add property option here. And you want to look for the option for status. So if you don't have the status option here yet, you need to add it first. So in this case, since I already added the property, I'm going to delete my extra one here. So under status here, what we need to do is we need to click on the options here. So typically, you'll have the option to choose whatever status you want here, which in turn would actually color code your calendar. But what I like doing here is I want to go to status here, go ahead and click on it. You want to click on edit property. And from here, you want to select one of the properties or status that you have right now. So for example, if you want to change the color code for not started, go ahead and change that. If you want to change the in progress, like for example, I want to change this to orange, just to give you an idea. And from here, let's go and exit this one. And we want to tag this as in progress. And from here, you can add whatever comments or tags if you want to. But once you've done that, let's go and go back in here. And that would actually show the look for it. So in this case, go and click on open calendar here. So you have the option to connect to your Google account. Now, if you don't see the actual color yet in here, what we need to do is we need to access the tree dot icon that you see at the top right next to new here. And you want to go to your layout here. We have properties. Let's go ahead and click on it. And you want to click on the option that says status. So once you actually click on it, it should change the color for that specific task. And we now have a color-coded task in our calendar. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.